My worst habit is definitely procrastination. But that's something that I work on every day. But that's one of the
Okay. Right.
My worst habit. That's a good one too. Cause I really procrastinate like every day. But my worst habit is I forget things. I forget things too much.
Okay.
Like
That's cool.
Slip my mind. Got too many things going on.
Yeah,
Yes.
running a business. Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Favorite guilty pleasure.
Favorite guilty pleasure.
Hennessy.
Hey, dog, huh?
I would say that. Hennessy. Just to be honest, because you have a good time with it. Every time.
Yeah. Especially at the club. I'm sorry.
It's fine. This is a adult
Nah,
conversation.
no.
Yes.
Fine.
My
We're
favorite guilty
uncensored.
pleasure is I don't. We like the same people.
Yeah.
That Hennessy is a good one too.
Okay, y'all as brothers, I can see,
Mm-hmm.
that influence on one another.
I know. And that's what you got for him.
Okay, so favorite superhero and why?
I could go first on that one. It's the Black Panther.
There you go.
Okay.
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever. I learned about him a few years ago, but it's like seeing a black superhero. That's good. The movie just came out. Yeah, it's really uplifting. And he the king. He's the king of like the world almost. It seemed like so that's good.
It's good to see something like that.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So ever since I found out about him as a kid, that's been my favorite superhero.
Nice.
Okay.
Me, I'm not gonna lie and say Black Panther because I didn't grow up. I don't know. Black Panther's my favorite hero, but I definitely would have to go with probably Superman.
That's a good one. That's a good one. I can like that.
I like Black Panther too. Don't get me wrong.
No.
of
But
course.
at the end of the day, you got to be real. Like,
that's a fact. Yeah.
we all got our favorite superheroes,
Yeah.
So, and why Superman?
Man, Superman, he's invincible. Like
You can do it
you
all.
can throw anything at him,
Yeah.
anything, but he still remains solid at the end of the day. So it's like,
There you go.
yeah.
Can't beat that.
King.
Okay,
Unless you got
and,
kryptonite.
All right, and your celebrity crush.
Oh man, that's a
Who
lot.
and why?
Man, I got a few of them.
No, that's also you can pick one.
I can pick one. My favorite one, huh? All right.
You go first on that.
Let me go first. I'm gonna have to go with Rihanna.
Okay.
We like twins.
Yeah.
That was my answer.
Yes,
That's why I said you should have went first. I could have changed my answer. I got a lot. No, but it's Rihanna. That's Rihanna. That's really the queen right there. Beyonce too. That was a close one, but Rihanna, I like how she carry herself.
She's an island girl, so
Yeah, absolutely. And you see how she got into that beauty biz and killed it?
She
killed it.
But I'm gonna run into Rihanna one day. She gonna buy some of my products. So.
There you go.
Yeah. You put it out in the air.
You hear that?
And when it does happen, you heard it here first.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So tell us, guys, where can everybody find your products?
We have our website, naturesgaloreproducts.com, and we do have our Instagram, natures.galore. So that's the best way to
contact us.
Yeah, check out the products and everything. So
yes, and we'll also have it on our website as well. So we want to thank you guys for coming and hanging with us today.
Thank
We had
you.
a lot of fun. We want to thank all of our listeners for listening and hanging with us. And you can find us at moscatoandtea.com on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Also download our episodes on iTunes and SoundCloud. And once again, thanks for hanging up. Oh, I can't even talk.
Girl, bye. See, too much Moscato.
Too much Moscato.
Game over.
I've had like 2 or 3 cups. Okay, bye.
Check us out on moscatoandtea.com. Subscribe on iTunes. Follow us on social media. See you next time.